Common themes of the module are justice and the importance of government. The readings are centered on Plato's The Republic and the Laws of Plato, Aristotle, The Politics, and Thomas Aquinas on law, morality, and politics. The importance of understanding what is just. How can justice be defined? Justice is important amongst friendship, as if you borrow money, then the money should be returned. A person who is just is a friend, but does an unjust person make someone evil or an enemy? There are different forms of government, yet they are all making laws. The role of government is to make a just law. The rulers then must be just. Can the rulers make mistakes? Yes, but the laws must be in order to be followed. Thus, the importance is selecting just rulers who can make just laws. To commit injustice would mean that a person is committing evil. What is the basis of a government? What does a government need? What is the purpose of the government for the people? Should they provide food? Should they provide clothing, shelter? People will labor for a just government. In order to have a government, you do need to have an education. You need to have a place that will pass along education and knowledge to different generations that maintains a government. Essentially, the goal of government is to create a perfect citizenry. A perfect government perpetuates a perfect citizenry. A government would ensure that health and well-being of their citizens. A government cannot continue without a knowledgeable citizenry and a healthy citizenry. Therefore, gymnastics is a necessity, which is a healthy body and a great mind. Finally, you need to understand life. Life is in balance. We all crave balance because balance is natural. We do not want an imbalanced amount of power or an imbalanced amount of change. We want things to be fair and balanced in life. When this does not happen, then there is great unrest and an uneasy feeling. Just as the government and its rulers have a responsibility, the individual also has a responsibility. The citizen has a responsibility to the government. They should be involved in their government through knowledge and participation.